Do you talk to your dog? Do you talk to your dog? Yes, sometimes, but not always. Yes, sometimes, but not always. Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? Yes, I have completed driving course. Yes, I have completed driving course. Can I try this? Can I try this? Yes, you can try this. Yes, you can try this. Can we go together? Can we go together? Yes, we can go together. Yes, we can go together. How far is it? How far is it? It's about 5 km away. It's about 5 km away. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Your phone is on the bench. Your phone is on the bench. Why did you call? Why did you call? I called to check on you. I called to check on you. Why do you ask me? Why do you ask me? Because he is a liar. Because he is a liar. Where should we meet? Where should we meet? Let's meet at cafe. Let's meet at cafe. What time does it open? What time does it open? It opens at 9 a.m. It opens at 9 a.m. What's your job? What's your job? My job is as teacher. My job is as a teacher. Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. Can you sing well? Can you sing well? No, I can't sing well. No, I can't sing well. Why did you start a blog? Why did you start a blog? To share my experiences. To share my experiences. Are you married or single? Are you married or single? I'm single. I'm single. How many pets do you have? How many pets do you have? I have two cats. I have two cats. Why did you buy a new car? Why did you buy a new car? My old car broke down. My old car broke down. Why did you choose this? Why did you choose this? I choose this because I like it. I choose this because I like it. Can you speak any other languages? Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak Spanish. Yes, I speak Spanish. What is your dream job? What is your dream job? I want to be a pilot. I want to be a pilot. Have you ever tried surfing? Have you ever tried surfing? No, I haven't tried surfing. No, I haven't tried surfing. Are you sick? Are you sick? Yes, I have a slight cold. Yes, I have a slight cold. Why are you late? Why are you late? I had a car trouble. I had a car trouble. How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep? I sleep for 7 hours. I sleep for 7 hours.